Recording in progress.
You are welcome to Mr. Ivan's lesson for the day. Actually, this is going to be our first lesson, and it's going to be on a spreadsheet. How you can use a spreadsheet to actually create a student report. That's what we are going to talk about. So this one is very easy. It's not anything difficult. So don't try to see. What we are going to do is how you can use a spreadsheet to actually record your student marks at the end of the term. How you can calculate the entire records of your students and how you can make the additions and actually the positions. So that's what I want us to do at the end of the day. So before we can move on, let us try and see if we can launch our spreadsheet application. In launching your spreadsheet application, you can first click on the Start menu button. And the Start menu button is being located on the taskbar of the computer. So this is our Start menu button. We also have another Start menu button here. So you can either locate it from here or on the actually Start menu button. You can also get it on the taskbar. That is, if you have dropped the icon on the taskbar, you can easily get it from there. So let me get it from my taskbar. This is the interface of a spreadsheet application. And anytime you are to work with a spreadsheet application, because you've already worked with it before, you have to first click on the blank web. Yeah, you can locate the spreadsheet application from the Microsoft Office software. So this is the interface of the spreadsheet application. Looking at the spreadsheet application, we have rows and columns. The columns have been identified by an alphabet, and then rows have been identified by numbers. So let me see if I can increase the size of the spreadsheet application. This is actually the size, the view size, so that you can view it very well. So these are the rows and columns. The columns have been identified by alphabet and the rows have been identified by numbers. So let's say you are done with your exams and at the end of the day you want to record the marks of your students. So let's say if you have names. So in your class you have Kofi, you have Ama, you have Yao, you have Kwame. So this may be the number of students in your class, and in the subjects you have English and we have maths. Yes, so let's consider these two subjects. So at the end of the exams, in recording the maths, we had maybe 23, and in maths we had 44, and let's see, Amma had 46, and in maths she had 87. Amma is very good. So let's say I had 44, and this one I'm just generating the maths by myself. And Kwame had maybe 87, and this one had 56. So these are the maths you can tabulate. So at the end of the day, you may need a total. So let's type our total here. Sorry for the wrong typing. Total, and they will be position. So and then you also collect the position. Yes. In our next lesson, we shall be looking at how you can use this to create a report. So in getting the totals, you don't need to write the numbers like equal to maybe 23 plus 44. If you do this, they will mark you wrong. It's totally wrong. Yeah, somebody asked me, how do we type the plus? Let's visit this and type on screen keyboard. On screen on screen keyboard here, it's already there on screen keyboard, and see how we use the or how we manipulate with the keyboard in typing. But in a spreadsheet application, we don't type it in this way. No, we type it by using the cell name. So this is our keyboard. So if you want to type if you want to type this thing, the plus, you have to click on this particular shift. That's our shift here. Then you move straight and moving the cursor. Then you press on this before you can use the on-screen keyboard. That's how we use it. So let's vanish the on-screen keyboard and continue. So I said we don't just type it in this way, but we type it by using the cell names. So the first cell we have here, we have cell B and 2. Cell B2. This 23 represents on cell B2. So if like you can even click on it and it will type it for you. Or you can type it yourself. So equal to cell B2. This one represents the B and 2. Then you bring your plus. The next one, which is the 44, is C2. That is it. When you finish, you press enter on the keyboard. Then it will give you the score. And the score is 67. After getting the answer, you will not need to find the solution for the rest. You just click here. Then you click on its edge like this. You just drop the cursor here on the edge. Then you drag it. I hope you know drag and drop. Then after dragging, you get the remaining answers. It is very simple. Now, after it, you may decide to find the position. And in the position, we use a method called rank. Use a method called rank in finding the position. So if you want to find a position, you just type your equal sign, which is shift plus equal to. Then you type rank. So after typing the rank, then you bring your brackets. So what are we finding for the rank? We are finding the rank based on the total. So the total is K, it is D2. We have our D2 here. So we are finding rank for this. Then you bring your comma. Comma what? Shift plus dollar sign. Please keep this in mind. Then you bring your D again. Keep this in your mind and another dollar sign. After bringing this, you add another dollar sign. After then you type your 2. Then you can move straight to this. Then you type another D, another dollar sign. Then you type the last number, which is 5. I'm talking about this 5, this particular 5. Talking about this particular 5. Then you bring your bracket close. Then you type your enter. You have made a mistake. So we need to correct our mistake. So what do you think is the mistake? We instead of bringing the dollar sign, we brought this. That's what made us committed that mistake. So everybody commits error. So that was our error. So type our enter. Then one who had 63 had the third position. So let's click here and drag and see if we are correct. Bravo, we are done. So that is how you can do it for your school. This one is not anything difficult. You can try them in your house. Let's do another one and see. So let's try and see if we can do another one for Kwame and this. Yeah, let's do another one. Okay.